Hello guys, so here is how to complete the LayerEdge POH, which is the proof of humanity. So it's just like you are completing your KYC verification, and you have to complete this before 25th of this month of April 2025 to be eligible for the Mainnet airdrop. So to proceed, ensure you connect the same wallet that you use to farm the testnet. So I'll just click on connect wallet. If you change wallet, then that's the lock. I don't know. They might not be able to verify your account. So ensure you connect the same EVM farm the airdrop testnet. That's the only way you'll be able to be eligible for this. So I'll just click on connect wallet. And we have the LayerEdge. So connecting. I have to sign here. Okay. So it's adding the network, connecting to base. Okay. Let's see what is. Oh, what's going on? We hang through. So you are seeing here you haven't completed the proof of humanity, and you are seeing the OG pass. Okay, verify with level 2 Binance KYC. What you are doing here is just like what we've been doing on Intrats, like the one we did on block merge and all of that. So but this one, I think you are using a different gateway verification pass, the transgate. So here verify must have at least 50 Uber, right? Must have KuCoin KYC. So you can choose any of these exchanges to verify with. Let me just use Bybit. You see, must have level 2 KYC on Bybit. Make sure any exchange you are choosing, you must have completed your KYC on any exchange you are verifying with. If you have not completed your KYC on that exchange, then they will not verify you here as well. So just choose any exchange at all. You see Gate.io. You are seeing on-chain only required for users who are unable to achieve even one attestation. So you are seeing on-chain, you are seeing OKX, you are seeing Orbit, you are seeing Bybit, you are seeing Coinbase. For UX participants, for US airdrop participants, so this is Coinbase. You can verify using Coinbase, and that's all. So I'll just choose verify with Bybit. Let's click on verify now and see. I think I have to download something like transgate. Let me just click on verify to see what we are downloading next. Okay. Okay, so for some region like myself, you have to turn on VPN to be able to access the exchange on web. You know, we are not using app here, so I'll just turn on my VPN to access this on web. I've mentioned that severally, so I'll just click on refresh again, and you see. So if you know that for your region you cannot access those exchanges from the web, turn on your VPN. If you are if you already completed your KYC from that exchange, it's not new members. So I'll just click on login with Bybit. So I'll log into my Bybit account first, and let's see if I still need to download anything, because I'm currently using a ZK Pass extension on this system. Let me show you. So I saw some people downloading transgate for those using mobile devices, but here I have a ZK Pass. I'm trying to open the extension so that you can see if I still need to download that transgate. You can also complete this from your Mrs. browser. So you see this ZK Pass transgate. I'm using this on my system already. This is the extension. So if you are using a system if you are using a laptop or a PC, anyone, desktop, anyone, first of all, download the extension. Go to your Chrome browser, type zkpass transgate extension and have it on your browser first. If you are using an extension, if you are using if you are using a PC, you need to first of all download this zkpass transgate first before proceeding to all of this link that I'm showing you. So I will also be dropping the link to this LayerEdge proof of humanity in the description box of this video. So for PC users, I think it's easier here. Just download this zkpass transgate because I already have it on my system. That is why it's not asking me of this zkpass. So let me proceed and see if I still need to proceed using a phone or anything. Let me see. And for Mrs. Browser, you need to download transgate. You need to go to your Play Store or App Store. You can see this transgate is there. So let me first of all minimize it and log into my Bybit first. For mobile users, if you are using a mobile device, download transgate on your mobile device first. You need to download the transgate. Go to Play Store or App Store. Click on transgate. Search for transgate. Transgate. Download it on your mobile device first because you'll be needing it. And also have a VPN so that you'll be able to open this Bybit or any exchange link on your device. You can see Bybit was not opening on the web before I on my VPN. Now that I on the VPN, I was able to open this page. So meaning you need a VPN. If you are using a mobile device or a PC, you need a VPN to you download a VPN and you also download transgate. So I need to clarify that. So now you see, I first of all log into my Bybit account on the web. The only reason you need a VPN is because you need to access this account, access your exchange account from web. And for some region that have even completed KYC like myself, you cannot access from web. So that's the only reason you need a VPN. For transgate, this is the logo of the transgate. If you are using a mobile device, go to Play Store, you see this logo, search transgate. First of all, download. This is the logo. This P in lemon image that you are seeing is the logo of transgate. So you download the transgate on your device. Then go to your Mrs. Browser, copy this link, this proof of humanity link from LayerEdge and paste it to your Mrs. Browser. Because you already have a transgate and you have a VPN, it will automatically open like the way you are seeing on the system that I'm using. So that's how mobile device can complete this proof of humanity. So when you successfully log, let me click on start. Okay, runs locally in your data is saved. Let me go back and click on start. It's showing error. I just go back to click on the link back here. I'll click on verify the Bybit here. So let's see. Once they confirm that I have a verified Bybit account, then I've automatically completed the KYC. So I'll click on this start again and let's see. Please ensure you have a stable network internet connection. Let me refresh my network and try again. So basically, this is how to complete this KYC. Just make sure you have an exchange account. Download the zkpass if you are using a system. Download the extension. If you are not using a system, download the app. Download the app and also have a VPN for some region. Not everybody will be needing a VPN, and that's all. So guys, this is how to complete your LayerEdge proof of humanity. It's very important, and ensure you complete this before 25th of this month of April 2025 so that you'll be eligible. Why is it telling me error internet connection? What's wrong with this internet? So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified of my subsequent updates, claiming, withdrawal, and what have you. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now. Let me just proceed with this my error this thing and refresh my network.